Hello, I don't know if I'm recording yet or not, but if I am, I'm gonna talk about figs a little bit and how our figs are doing, because they're doing lovely just now. Um, so far, this right here, I have some scattered figs and other plants in this area, so I just want to show some of the differences in different varieties and so forth. I don't know offhand what these varieties are, but there's some true winners and losers in our area. And I have a variety of other trees out here too, but I have another area. This one right here in our location, let me show you these guys. They're still green. I haven't gotten anything to ripen yet. We had a late... Well, I think I'm not recording anymore. And it's planted right next to a mulch pile, which I think helps it out. But here are some other figs of the, actually, that are even a little bit older that have not done so well in this area. They don't even have fruit on them or anything. So what I'm gonna do, I did plant a lot of sticks, as I call them, last year, and with that we had about a 50-50 take. 50% of them took and 50% of them didn't. I'm going on a little walk to take you over to the fig area. We have this fence going in, which I'll probably make a separate video about in a little bit. I have to say, gosh, I really don't know what I'm doing with the camera yet. Hopefully I'll get that figured out to produce better videos for you. But for the moment, so I'm going to show you our fig. And these trees that are down are from the brush they've taken out over here. How about that? What's that red? That they've taken out over here. So basically I have 3 lines of figs, and look at that little guy. Some of them are just doing fantastic, and some of them not so much. So that's more or less, and look, there's just one little leaf all year on this guy. That is more or less why I planted a bunch of varieties. Here, you can see there's nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. But then we have a few champions. My guess, there's a little fig in that one. We have some yellow leaves going on. Little fig in that guy. But last year these guys were all just little sticks, so look at the leaves in this one. That one's interesting. This guy's big. No figs, but an interesting spider bug action going on there. See if we can get a good... Wow, he's a green spider. Look at him. He's eating a wasp, but we'll let him do his job. Yeah, it's really hard to tell for me if this thing is still going or not. Anyhow, here's another little fig. I've been trying these ant There was a big ant pile in here. I mean, looks like it's doing some good because I'm not getting anything out of there. But I came to try and clear the leaves out, and I got attacked by a bunch of ants, and I've been trying to put the ant traps out. Here's another itsy bitsy guy. He's still there at least. So I think, you know, soon I'm gonna, in the winter time, these healthier plants that are giving me figs, I'm gonna make cuttings and plant the cuttings and try and grow more figs. And also try selling a few on eBay to friends and family. And I caught a glimpse of something here in a second. I'm gonna go taste. It'll be the first fig of the year. It is purple looking, which is good because that means they're ready to eat. This guy right here seems to be spreading on the ground quite a bit, which I don't mind. Leaves are smaller, a little compact, little fig of some sort. Another little guy. And here we go. Here is what I caught my eye of. There might be 2 or 3 of them here. Wow, it looks like there's ants in that one. So none for me. This one right here. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to take a bite out of it. Oh my goodness, that's so good. I hope this is videotaping. So this is actually my first fig of the year. Look at that. You want a bite, don't you? So I was looking to see if I had a tag. I'm pretty sure this is Magnolia. Okay, and then I wanted to say over here, these I bought from a company that was doing tissue grafts, and I wanted to say something about that. You know, the tissue, my experience with getting tissue grown plants, besides the theory behind it, I'm not against it. It's just that they just seem to have a harder time getting going than a regular plant. And I've noticed this with pineapples. Pineapples is a famous tissue grown issue, or I've had them and they never survive. But you know, that could be my care and so forth, but pineapples just seem to be one of those ones that never ever make it. So we can check out in the future how these grow. Here's my beehive that I haven't done nothing with.